Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. If you see here, we already have one light here is dim or is not there, and this one is working. And what I like about the BMW, this is 325 XI or 328 XI E series E90, 91, 90. But look at this light here. This one, that means the low beam is out, this one here. But also it will give you a sign in the car that this low beam light is not good. Here, you see, if you go here and you turn the car, for the first time, turn the car off. I'm gonna put it in, start it. You will see, okay, you're gonna see a light. You see, that means one of the light is out. Check it out. Now, we also have the light is out, and also we have a check engine light on. Let me see why that check engine light is on. First of all, do not say, look, this is a problem, I'm gonna do this. No, do a diagnostic first. So I'm gonna go here, we're gonna check it with this computer. This Hotel Maxi is mostly for immobilizers and keys, but it does great on diagnosis. I'm gonna go by VIN. Auto VIN detect. Okay, there is a misfire. The car is like missing a little bit while the car is running. Before you do anything or any repair, run the test to be sure what you have there. There are some small testers you can use by your app, by iPhone app is available. You can have an app and have it a small piece like a tracking device. You put it in the OBD2 and then it will read, and you use your phone to read. It's available by Bluetooth, and they do a great job. So now this is like accept. I feel like there's a vacuum leak somewhere. Okay, this is a VIN number. When you say okay, it will decode it for you more. Okay, this is E90 3 series 325 XI, engine N52. Now I'm gonna say yes. He asked me, what do you want to do? I don't say nothing. I just want to check the engine, why it's misfiring. I feel the misfire a little bit, like hesitating. Okay, now I'm gonna go to diagnosis, control unit. I just want to see the engine computer. Digital motor, I want to see what code I have. Read code. Before you erase it, read the code. The car running very bad, rough, like cylinder number 1 misfire. Cylinder number 2 misfire. Okay, the other one is catalytic. Digital motor, catalytic converter, upstream oxygen sensor heater function. We have O2 sensor heater and air mass volumeter sensor. This is the air volumeter sensor code. I shouldn't get that one, but I don't know why I'm getting air volumeter sensor code. Let me clear all this code and then see. But we have cylinder number 1 misfire. Also digital motor electronic mixture control 2. Digital motor catalytic converter, so okay, but cylinder number 1 is misfiring a lot. Let me clear all this code first. Okay, and then see what happened. I'm going to turn the key on. Let me clear this code. Escape, erase the codes. Yes. Okay. Read again. No codes. I'm gonna start it now. car running good. But if there is anything, we will know. Anything that can bring the light on. But let's go to data. Data will show us if there is anything. Let me see here. Okay, here I can see cylinder 4, 2. Okay, cylinder 1 minus, cylinder 3 minus. I don't know what that means, but some of them are minus. Operation is minus 400 something. This is step value. This is not like let me see operation value here. Okay, I'm gonna go down. Mass airflow sensor is reading 2830. I don't know, that's too much or less, I'm not sure. Engine speed is good. Okay, maybe mass is too much. I'm gonna turn it and start it again. Mass 29. Mass airflow meter sensor 54. That's too much. 64, 69. Okay. Let me see now. Ideal, okay. I don't see no check engine light, but it can come later. Let me turn it off. Mass airflow meter sensor, ignition also supposed to be 0. I don't know at idling what's supposed to be here. Let me start again. 48. Okay, ambient temperature. I don't see anything now, but we know that we have cylinder number 1 misfire. I try to look at like if there is any misfire for particular cylinder, but it doesn't give me anything. So I'm gonna leave it. If the check engine light come back again, then we check. So we know what happened now in this car, how many misfire we have, but we cannot take a decision that that's the cause. But we're gonna leave it. The customer can drive. If any code come back, then we compare it with that one, and then we say, okay, this is the problem and this is the fix. But for now, we can say nothing. That means if you have a car like this, you have a code coming in, do not just go and change the stuff. Wait a little bit and delete all the code, but record the code with you in the memory. Delete all the code and then see if the code repeat itself. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris, and see you in another video.